Have you ever wondered, what is the most important part of a pair of true wireless earbuds? To me, I feel the most important part is the fit and comfort of the ear tip. No matter how good the sound quality or active noise cancellation are, if the ear tip do not seal well, then the bass and quality of the music will be affected. And if the tips are too hard and stiff, then they won't be comfortable to wear for a long time. Hey everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. In this video, we will take a look at my shiny new Galaxy Buds Pro. Rather than doing a full review video covering the features that are already covered by other videos, I'm going to focus on showcasing the close-up physical look of the Galaxy Buds Pro and their ear tips. And just to let everyone know, I bought this Galaxy Buds Pro myself, and this video is not sponsored. Let's start with the physical looks of the earbuds. The two black dots are the touch-sensitive sensors to sense if the earbud is in our ear, and the other two gold dots are contact points for charging. And if you know what this is, leave a comment down below. I suspect it's just an air vent to relieve air pressures in our ears. And I don't think it's a microphone because that won't be the best position to place the microphone. Samsung has shown that the inner microphone is actually at the speaker area right outside of our ear canal. Notice the ear tips is actually oval shaped, not round like all other generic silicone ear tips. As a result, there are very limited choices when it comes to third-party ear tips on the market. On the outside, we have two outer microphones for noise cancellation. The bottom one has a grill that acts as a windshield. Samsung claims there is also a wind chamber behind the grill to filter out the outside noise in windy environments. And as for the other microphone, it's like any other external microphone where there is just a pinhole, and that's located on top of the earbuds. And this clip is just to let you imagine these left and right earbuds are in your ear. They do actually look quite big, don't they? But in reality, when I wear these earbuds, they actually don't feel that big and heavy. Okay, up next, let's take a close-up look at the ear tips. I really appreciate there is a silicone mesh on the ear tips, as that prevents earwax from getting to the earbuds speaker grills. The mesh and ear tip is made from one piece of silicone, and the center inner core of the ear tips is actually quite hard and really stiff. Now, let's compare the shape and size of the ear tips. By the way, notice the stamp of the earbuds that sticks into our ear canal is actually not very long. In fact, there aren't a lot of stamp at all. To fit the silicone ear tips, we need to locate and match these grooves of the earbuds and the ear tips. The grooves are on both sides of the oval-shaped ear tip, so both sides should fit the same. The smallest size ear tip is the shortest, which doesn't intrude into our ear canal too much. And this is the medium-sized ear tip. I realized the medium tip is about the same size as the small tip. It just extends a little bit longer into our ear canal compared to the small size ear tip. And finally, the largest ear tip size is really huge. It doesn't just extend longer into the ear canal, it's also wider and flappier too, compared to the medium-sized tip. I'll show you again quickly so you can compare the three sizes. There is something about the shape and size of these ear tips that makes it an almost perfect fit for my ear. It's almost perfect, but not perfect yet. Maybe it's the oval shape. I don't know. I'm still trying to feel what's wrong with it. So far, out of all the earbuds I've used over the last few years, it's strange that my first pair of $66 Soundcore Liberty Lite is still the best fit for my ears. I guess our ears are all different. There is a lot I want to say about the comfort and fit of this Galaxy Buds Pro compared to my Galaxy Buds Live and my Soundcore Liberty Lite. So I'll make another video specifically to compare them. Remember to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out. I'll be discussing my thoughts and opinions of both the Galaxy Buds Pro and the Buds Live 2. And this is a close-up view of the hinge of the case. It's quite a well-built hinge and it does its job pretty well. The hinge of my Galaxy Buds Live case is still holding up pretty well after almost 1 year of everyday use. I'm not sure if the hinge design of the Galaxy Buds Pro and the Galaxy Buds Live cases are the same. From the way they open, the Galaxy Buds Pro hinge does feel a little bit more stiff and more sturdy compared to the Galaxy Buds Live. Maybe my Galaxy Buds Live case hinge has worn quite a bit after 1 year of use. I've enjoyed taking lots of close-up shots of this beautiful Galaxy Buds Pro. I'll let you enjoy the beauty of this engineering masterpiece. To me, I think it's really a work of art. Samsung managed to pack so much features into such tiny earbuds. Hey everyone, remember to subscribe for more close-up videos of my tech gear. I love taking close-up macro videos. Yeah, I know, the video quality on my channel is still not good enough. Believe it or not, I'm still using my mobile phone to make all these videos. My next target is to upgrade my camera gear. Well, that's the plan to deliver more great video content to all of you on this Sky Perspective channel. Thanks to all of you who have supported my channel using the methods in the description down below. Hopefully this video helps you in some way or another. Drop me a comment and let me know. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care and look after yourself everyone. Bye!